Okay, here's what our kitchen island looks like with the contact paper on it. When I decided to just do the island so that we could see if we want to replace these countertops with something lighter, and wanted to see how it goes with the floor. The only problem is the corners. You know, when you watch videos, it will show how easy it is to kind of cut that 90-degree angle out and kind of fold it down, but our corners are rounded, so that made it really not very smooth and not very nice right there. But for us, it's temporary and we're just checking it out. So it worked for the purposes that I was looking for. The other thing is, when you see, you know, people cover like a desk or something, they can fold this all the way down and it'll stick to the bottom. But ours is like that rough granite, the underside of the granite, so it doesn't stick. So we just had to cut it off. I'll insert a clip of how I did that. The other thing is this product, here's the seam. I don't know if you can tell, but I did like one big piece over here and then a smaller piece over here. And the seam is really not too bad. I tried to match it up. It's not bad. The product stinks when you're installing it. It's from the glue, I think, because now it doesn't stink. This is like 2 days later and it smells fine. And that's what our island looks like.